Hello guys, today I have here my new back bottom attachment for PlayStation number 5. I have the PlayStation 5, so I'm going to try it. I think that my boyfriend is going to be very happy when I give him this product that I buy for him. It has here the turbo function, it has 2 remappable bottoms, it has an upgrade remap, and it says that it's easy to assemble. And in the back part, in the bottom attachment, it says that it's the back key P1, the indicator light, the back key P1. Okay, it has 2. Okay, it says that it has 2 back key P1, the map bottom, and the 3 groups of macro function settings, and the turbo bottom. Okay, so I'm going to use it. Okay, I'm seeing also here in the lower part that they sell different colors. I think that the black color, the white, the purple, the blue, and the red one, I think it's if you have like one of these colors of the control, you can buy it. I bought the black, so I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay guys, so I'm going to open it. It's like this, okay, and then okay, we have this part. Okay, it's just like a bag. Okay, we have here the control. It's like this. Okay, you need to assemble in the back of your play control. Okay, it has these 2, and then we have I think that they are like to assemble this thing. Okay, we have this one, and we also have this one. Okay, and then we have this part that we need to put it. Okay, they're in a bag. We have another one. Okay, and then we have here the instruction manual. So I'm going to try it to put, and then we're going to use it. Okay, so let's see.